welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Genise. I'm a mompreneur teaching herself how to make money online so that I can stay home with my daughter and homeschool. If that is you as well, hi, we're in the same struggle together, hey. Today is Sunday, December 10th, and I usually don't like to do work or videos or anything on Sunday. I devote it more towards my house and the family, but this past week has been crazy. I barely got any work done, so I'm sacrificing my Sunday this time around, and this is very exciting for me. I am getting a standing desk, like one of those desks that have a motor that go up and down so that you can go from sitting at your desk to standing at your desk. And I'm working with a TikTok shop seller who is sending it to me, and it's supposed to get here today. And I figured, why not take you along for the ride so you can see a day in the life of a mom content creator, mom UGC creator, mompreneur, whatever it is that you want to call me. I don't even know what to call myself anymore. I'm just a mom who wants to make money on her own terms so that I can be more present for my home and for my family, for my daughter. I already got dressed, did my hair. I mean, I kind of suck at doing hair, but I made myself presentable. Aside from the desk video, I have maybe 4 or 5 other videos that I need to record for TikTok shop, and then I'm also going to be recording some more content for my TikTok. So I'm going to be doing a lot of bulk recording today. Let's just get down to business. I did the 4 videos for the 4 items that are going to be posted on TikTok shop. If you don't know, TikTok shop is blowing up, and I know some people are very annoyed with it because now TikTok is really pushing out TikTok shop videos more than anything else, and that's annoying some people because they're there to find the funny videos, they're there to find the feel-good videos, and every other video has a link to buy something now. But you know, don't hate the player, hate the game. Or actually, don't hate the game, get in on the game while it's hot. People get angry at advertising all the time, and I need to get that out of my brain. I feel like I don't want to be annoying, so I don't want to sell anything. But selling, advertising, marketing is a big part of the game when you want to make money from home. You want to be your own boss, you're going to have to sell your services at some point. So trying to get out of that headspace. I was a new customer on TikTok shop. They sent me a free gift, and that free gift was a mic. I made a couple videos with this mic on TikTok shop, and for every person who goes and buys the mic after viewing my video, I get a commission off of it. I then turned around, found out that this same mic is on Amazon. I took the videos off of my TikTok shop and I repurposed them and also posted them on Amazon. So when people see my videos on Amazon, I also get a little bit of money off of there too. I don't ever want you to come onto this channel and think that I have it all figured out, but I do want to share what I have figured out so far. Delivered. It's waiting outside my door. Babe, it's here. It's here. It's here. Let's see. Whoa. Is it heavy? Yes, it is. Oh, I need muscles. I have the same thing. Oh, I just ran up the stairs. Hold on. So the desk got here, but I'm not gonna jump into that just yet because there's some stuff I need to do downstairs. I gotta vacuum, I gotta move my tree from one side of the living room to another because the tree is currently standing where I want to put my desk. But there is some more short form content that I wanted to film so that I can batch it and then schedule it out for the next week or so. So I gotta do that first. time to switch over to mommy housewife mode and do some laundry and check in on the little one. I think the final video that I'm going to film today will be the building of my desk, so stay tuned for that. I'm super excited about this one, you guys. It has 3 settings, so you can set the height to each number. So this is the lowest one that I set it. This one is the middle one where I'm kind of comfortable, and this one is like the top one. I don't know why I would need to be all the way up there, but yeah. And Annie, it holds 175 pounds, so Annie and her doggy are going to demonstrate how high this thing goes. Yeah, are you ready?
Holiday plush.
Okay, there we go. Sit down. There it goes. There it goes.